How you doing, buddy?
That's my best friend Julian.
What's up, man?
Home from jail.
Just got out today.
What am I on the TV for?
Oh, you know, just doing one of those little documentary things.
How's it going? Well, the trailer park's been real fucking lonely while Julian was in jail. Had to take care of all the marijuana crops. Just been me and the kiddies holding down the trailer park. I missed him. It's good to see him back. You just got out of jail. What are you gonna do?
Gotta work on my car. Gotta get back into business bubbles.
Fair enough. I've been doing the shopping carts while you've been in the jail.
No doubt.
I've been watching over the crops too. Fucking missed him. But he's my best friend, you know. Yeah.
Got the rum and coke, so I'm already feeling it. We're gonna be putting in this coolant temp gauge in the FC. It's gonna look real nice. It's a bit cattywampus that you can see. This is a fucking huge thread. So I'll put a picture on the screen because right now, or yeah, it's right there. That hole's way too small. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to drill it out a little bit bigger. We couldn't find a tap and die set, so we're just gonna drill it, JB weld it, and try and screw it in by ourselves. See if she goes, you know? Yeah, right on, boys.
Holy fuck, I don't know who gave me the power tools, but I'll go for it. Holy shit. Holy shit. She's behind it, boys. Fucking work, buddy.
Yo, open up the glove box, tell me if you can see my finger.
It's in the glove box?
Might be, I don't know.
Here, no, just push this through and I'll find it.
Feed her through,
Man, we
buddy.
need to hand film this so we get the sustenance.
No, it's filming right on you right now, it's fine.
Yeah, we're not even talking in voices.
Yeah, well, we'll fucking start talking, man.
I'm not even wearing the glasses.
That's alright.
Holy shit.
Hang on, I gotta get the drill again.
Holy shit. So we got her fucking coming through here, the sensor. Coming through this little hole. Fed right through here. Oh, just gotta go right in here. That's all look pretty clean, eh? Looks pretty fucking clean. Get the fucking gauge going. Show you the gauge. Oh yeah, she goes through there. Comes across here. And then comes out over here. Fucking mount the gauge up right here. The water temp gauge so no one knows when his shit's about to blow. Cause it's fucking rotary and it's gonna blow. Nice.
Man, there's shit on the lens again.
What the fuck?
For fuck's sake, man.
Fucking put her through, buddy. Fuck, eh?
It's way too tight.
Just get her over, buddy.
Hang on, I need to get scissors and put like a relief cut. I'm not leaving that shit exposed. That looks like fuck, eh?
Is it autofocus?
Yeah. So fucking annoying. Alright, it's gonna go something like that.
That's a pretty clean install, buddy. She's a fucking squirter, isn't she? How's she sniff, buddy?
No, it smells real nice. There's not that much in there, you know?
Probably no fucking coolant in this whole thing anyway.
Oh, fuck.
Pull her off.
No, because then it's gonna be pissing hot coolant everywhere.
Fuck you.
Okay, well, first I think we should JB weld this.
Okay.
Or no,
Oh.
we should put it in the hose first, the new one. It'll go like right here before this bend. Maybe like right here. Because that'll reach. It'll look something like that.
Holy shit, you don't say much, do you?
This is just fuck. Who the fuck? Alright, so after about 3 hours of overexposed footage.
So this is just fact, okay? So we're just gonna have to JB weld it on there. So I can mix them up, buddy. Fuck, I've had to mix a shopping cart or two. I had to use the JB weld on some shopping carts.
Video's gonna look like shit, man.
Because you don't have a fucking ND filter.
Yeah, it's not in the budget, man.
Plug the store.
If anyone wants to send us one, 67mm variable ND filter. For the boys, come on.
Plug the store for some sales. Sales still going on.
Moistboys.co. We got the domain. By the time you've seen this video, boys. Fucking cheers to that, eh? Cheers it, buddy. Nice.
Man, you look like a fucking naked mole rat on meth.
Right on.
Alright. Now you got your fucking shit mixed up. Smells like cat piss. Oh, it's gonna look like shit.
It's alright. It's the bottom of it.
Okay, I can't try to this accent, so I'm just gonna talk normally from now on.
Just for now.
Oh, I'm laying her on dumb tick, man. I'm drinking a mimosa. It tastes like fuck. Max is loving it.
Should we use this footage?
Yes, look at Nick.
I gave up my drink.
You really gonna leave, Dustin?
Yeah, I got
Wait, Dustin. What are you supposed to be, Kai?
Well, I'm Yetta, now Civic Gang.
Post Melon. Lowering Springs.
Yeah, buddy's got the video.
Soon to be MR2 Gang.
Yeah, we'll get her going.
Fuck yeah.
Yoda
Heritage MR2. One buyer.
Small Wheel Club.
Yeah, no doubt, eh,
No
buddy?
cap.
That's not allowed in the video.
Dude, anything's allowed in the video.
I'm going to cuck jail if that's in the video.
Alright, guys. I gotta drink this mimosa.
What the fuck is a mimosa, man?
It's 11 o'clock at night. I don't know why mimosas are out. You wanna have a sip of this?
Fuck it.
What's it taste like?
Man.
We're applying a hose head.
Hose dome.
Fuck you. I'm rude, man.
Fuck. Alright. So
Show the merch we have left. This is all we have left. Look at this shelf we got. The boys are going pro.
no big deal.
IKEA. So all the shit's like over 50% off. Some of it's 75% off. Are you kidding me? You can pick up a shirt for $8? You spend $8 on a goddamn panini at Pita Pit, you dumb fuck. Pick up a shirt.
No doubt. Okay, so this is where we left off last time. It's pretty solid. We're probably gonna put another coat on JB Weld, and then we'll put it in the hose, install it, wire it up. Should probably take like an hour.
There's no way we can figure out how to wire that. You have to spin it around, man.
Why are these things just...
You're really bad at everything, eh?
Yeah, no doubt.
Just kidding. You're good at something, probably. Tighten this bitch down. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Ooh. Are you fucking lynching me right now? You cockfucker.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna get the knife, cut that zip tie, and then we'll try and tighten it in.
We flathead. Just that top one. I take all holes out. Full of coolant.
Oh shit, those are tight. We need pliers for that.
Tighter than the swing here?
No doubt. Hopefully this thing works, man. It's gonna piss coolant already melt. I want to take this off, dude, just so we can like have the hose like this and then kind of dump the coolant that's gonna come out into a bucket. That did not work. Then you barely took this clamp off.
Look at biking.
This shit's fucking backwards.
Backwards?
No doubt.
So far.
Okay.
Alright, one on, one to go.
Fuck.
Dumb idiot, should have done bottom first. Is that on up enough?
No, it needs to go higher.
And I'm gonna be high. Dude, that's fucking tight fitment, isn't it?
No doubt.
Oh yeah. There she's going.
See you leak yet?
Filling Mountain Dew in motor. Now watch it though. Is this bitch gonna leak? Probably. Motherfuck! Keep filling. Oh, it's filled? It's filled. I'll start it. Like an idiot.
Alright. So we fucking got her all plumbed up. And we gave her a crank, gave her a chooch.
Let it run. Bled the coolant. You fucking bled the radiator.
There's gonna be about 10 dead dogs all top of my house.
Yeah, there's some coolant on the ground, but
Not too worried. There's a lot of coolant on the ground.
well, let's just get some water and fucking swoosh it away.
Where's the chun from last night? That's the real question.
Dude, I rinsed it.
So we gave her a chooch.
Give her a little rum ski.
Doesn't appear to be leaking right now,
Yeah.
which is a fucking miracle. I don't know how that happened.
Miracles do happen, kids.
So, also my shit was really low on coolant. That thing took a lot.
Yeah.
So, how you
Holy
doing?
shit, the sun is fucking.
I know, I told you, right? It gets you going.
Let me shade you.
Okay, so now what we gotta do is we just gotta screw it into the dash and then somehow find a way to wire it.
Okay.
Okay. Hang on.
Is that autofocus?
Yeah, it should be.
Okay.
Man, how do I just lose this screw? This is gonna be fucked to try and... Man, there's like a pre-screwed thing right there. No, it's too far forward, eh?
Oh.
It's like flat right here. How's that look from sitting in it though?
Does your knee hit?
Not even close, man. I'm gonna try and drill the hole first and then put the gauge up to it. Poke a little hole. Okay. Fuck. Fuck.
Basso. Oh shit. Done. Very nice.
I'm gonna go make sure it's not leaking.
Okay, goodbye.
Alright boys, you can see it's starting to read a little bit. It's moving up quite a bit. It's starting to go now. So yeah, you can see it's, so the thermostat just opened, there's coolant flowing through. So we put it there because it seemed easiest. We put it where we put it just because, and it worked, so now it's working. So That's that, boys. Shit was fucking cattywampus. I'm gonna make sure it's not leaking one more time. Yeah, so it should sit right around in between like 160 and 180 is like operating temp. If that bitch hits 220, your shit's about to blow and you better shut off. There you have it, boys. We did something else that works on this channel. It's not too often that happens, so.
Fucking rare.
But yeah, we're gonna go pick up our new shirts now and we're gonna post this video tonight because the beginning of this video was filmed on Halloween and it's Saturday now, so.
It's fucking November 2nd.
Yeah, so fuck. Anyways, if you liked the video, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. 180 is gonna be passing inspection pretty soon, then we're putting Watts and coilovers on it. So, yeah, catch you in the next one, boys. Fucking skidoo, eh?
Look at this. Newport style Moist Boys vinyl. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, there you go.
It's like we're on the goddamn upside down right now, man.
Okay, show us another one. Come on, man.
This is the cleanest one. This is my favorite.
We're gonna do a hatch vinyl in a similar style to that.
Yeah, we might do a big ass titties version of that. And then we just have some restocks on some old stuff. Got a little Enjoy Old School Style, a mini version this time, a fully half-assed, but it's a slap. Well, I don't think that was on purpose. Speed is Fun slap. Then we just got some restocks on the No Big Wheels, the Star Vinyl, Small Wheel Club. Don't know what this one's called. This kind of vinyl thing, but it's also like a sticker at the same time. I don't know, some fuck shit going on. But you already know this shit fire as dick. Wait, we have more stuff than this. Where's the other stuff? Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Look at that. A restock on the Marlboro vinyl. These bitches go quick every time.
No doubt.
So you already know you gotta be ready on that. Is there anything in this one?
I think that's it for this stuff.
More of the other shit. Holy shit. There might be a little,
Show both colors.
here's a little sneak preview.
No doubt, hey? Jewel skin? More skids.
I don't think we're allowed to show that.
Jewel skins, man.
I don't think we're allowed to show that, but